I love to bake, especially when I have a good non-stick cookware that transfers heat evenly so everything cooks perfectly, which is why I was super excited to receive this 9-piece set, which includes in there a cooling tray from the brand. So thank you to the brand for gifting this to me. What I love most about these is that they're an aluminized steel body with a ceramic coating. So they look really nice. They are a light cream on the outside, and then they are gray on the inside with the nonstick coating. And they all have silicone grips on them, which I absolutely love. They are removable, they pop off, but they are great, so comfortable to grab and put in and out of the oven. And it comes with, so you've got your loaf pan, your 2 cake pans, and then you've got your regular square cake pan. You've got your long cake or lasagna pan, muffin or cupcake tin, and then you have, as finally, 2 cookie sheets. So this, you can cook almost anything in there. And what is also great about them is they have made these all nicely stackable so that they don't take up a ton of space in your cupboard. So they all stack away nicely. Absolutely love these. They look nice, comfortable to use. They are non-stick surface, so your food is going to come out really easily from these. They are resistant to corrosion. They are very durable. They transfer heat easily, like I said, so nice and evenly. So love, love, love that about these. You're going to want to try, test yourself out and get a set. Once you get these, you won't really need anything else. One set does it all. Thanks.